Hey yeah everyone, so this is Apeksha Shakya again with another video of mine which is about HTML and HTML. so आज हम बात करेंगे ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट और अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट के बारे में. ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट जनरली वो लिस्ट होती हैं जिनमें नंबर्स होते हैं, सीरीज होती हैं, एंड अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट वो होती हैं जिसमें रैंडम बुलेटेड लिस्ट होती हैं. लाइक जो डॉट से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं या फिर किसी सिंबल से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वो होती हैं अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट, राइट. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग अबाउट अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट एंड द ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट in just one code, and later I will be explaining about table and form, which is gonna be our most important topic in this series, because as we all know we face login forms and tables in generally every website we visit. Screen, and in my screen I have Visual Studio Code as my editor, and here is my pre-written code. So I will be just writing an OL here, and this stands for ordered list. So let me just add and come into it. Let me first just zoom the text so it would be easier for you to read the code, and I hope this much font is right. So let me just add and come into it. Ordered list. Let me just add li, which stands for list. My first list would be, this is my first list, first item. Li, and this is gonna be my second item. This is my second item, and here will be my third item. This is my third item. And for ordered list we are done, and here comes the unordered list, which is UL. So let me just add and come in. Unordered list, unordered list. We just add li. This is my first item. This is another item, another item, yet another item. So here we are done with our unordered list and ordered list code. So generally this is the whole code we have to write, and for items we use li, and for declaring that it is a ordered list or unordered list we use ul or ol, right. So let's just save the code and run in the browser. Code HTML, basic HTML, rest HTML, and here I have my code. So let's just play this. Open with Firefox. So here you can see this is the ordered list which have series, and this is the unordered list which are in bulleted form, right. उम्मीद है आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा मेरा ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट और अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट का सीरीज़. सो मैं फिर आऊँगी अपनी एक और वीडियो लेके जिसमें मैं टेबल और फॉर्म्स के बारे में बात करूँगी. वो हमारा सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक होने वाला है, बिकॉज इट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर इन एनी वेबसाइट, राइट? सो I taught you about the basic HTML elements. So we are now about ending up the HTML code. So I will be starting with CSS and JavaScript almost in few days. So in with CSS I will explain you the rest of the topics which I am left with in HTML. So thank you.